Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. In the last session, we are seen about distance and displacement. Based on this, now we are going to discuss about speed and velocity. So, first, what is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance. Look at this picture. Let us consider a person X traveled from point A to B using first bath. He covered 120 meter in 6 seconds, and another one person Y traveled from point A to B using a second bath. He covered 40 meter in 4 seconds. Then how do we say a person moves in a particular speed? Can you say who traveled with highest speed, and how do we say? So let us calculate how long they traveled in 1 hour. Distance traveled by the person X in 1 second is 20 meter per second. Distance traveled by the person Y in 1 second is 10 meter per second. Have you noticed that saying who is fast and slow? So the person X is faster than the person Y, because a person X traveled 20 meter per second, the person Y traveled 10 meter per second. In other words, you can divide the distance traveled by time taken to get the speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. We can classify speed into two types. One is uniform speed, second one is non-uniform speed. Uniform speed. If a body in motion covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be in uniform speed. Next, non-uniform speed. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be in non-uniform speed. Next, velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is the rate of change in displacement. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. If an athlete in the diagram takes 25 seconds to complete a 20 meter sprint event, then how do we find the speed and velocity? Look at this. Speed equal to distance divided by time. So 8 meter per second, and velocity equal to displacement divided by time equal to 2 meter per second. Next, type of velocity. There are two types of velocity. One is uniform velocity, second one is non-uniform velocity. First, uniform velocity. A body has uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement in the same direction in equal intervals of time. For example, light travels through vacuum. Non-uniform velocity. If either speed or direction changes, the velocity is non-uniform. Example, a train starting and moving out of the station. So in this case, average velocity equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. Next, look at this picture. The triangle method can help you to recall the relationship between velocity, displacement and time. Dear students, in this session we discussed about speed and velocity. Thank you.